Welcome to another Bike World workshop piece. So we are doing things a little bit differently this year. In videos, in TV, when you see someone do a rebuild on a bike, they just gradually work their way through it and all the parts magically appear and it all goes really well and then it's finished and they ride it, which is, in my experience, absolutely not how it ever goes. So to kind of give it a bit more of a real world feel, we're just going to do these videos as a kind of day shoot. So what you see today is what we've done today. We're going to crack on, first of all, with this new project bike, which we'll talk about in a sec. We've got another motorcycle to pick up, which we're starting for another series. So I thought we'd just bring you along for a ride and see what I get up to on a normal day in the world of Bike World workshops and Northover small engines and whatever other nonsense we get up to in life. Now this project is something that's been snuck in the corner of the workshop for a while and I am dying to get involved with it. It's a Honda NSR 250 SP, an MC21. So it's a two-stroke V-twin sports bike from the 90s. It is an absolutely gorgeous bit of kit. This one actually belongs to a good friend of mine who also works in the motorcycle industry. He's a stylist, designer, does a lot of good work making bikes look cool. This is his baby. He has had this for decades. He had it as a young lad, rode it, abused it, commuted on it, crashed it, ran out of money, tucked it up in the corner of his lockup, and kind of that's where it's been ever since. It's had a few things done on it over the years. It's actually had the fuel drain down, so it's had a little bit of love, but it has got a proper, genuine barn find layer of dust. That's £1,000 extra for the barn find dust. But it's got to the point now where he's like, I want my bike back and I want it right. So he's asked me to get it here, strip it, work out what it needs, go through it and make this bike, back to its former glory. We're not doing a full concourse, everything spot on, original stickers on the tank restoration. I think he just wants it back as the bike he remembered and loved. So we're going to work our way through, find out what's missing. Getting parts is going to be tricky for this one. It's not a CBR 600, it's a bit of a special bike. So there's going to be a little bit of a premium, I think, to pay for parts. There's some repairs to do on the fairing. And hopefully the engine I have checked, it does turn over, so it's not seized or anything, but the carburetors have been left off. So there's a chance we've got some issues from that. I'm going to double check what the piston rings look like, what the cylinders look like. Hopefully nothing too bad. Then work our way through, get it up and running and get it riding. So I've got Ev with me in the workshop today. He's hiding in the corner over there next to the heater, not surprising. So he's going to help rattling through this. We're going to start pulling it apart, look at it. And then I've got a bike to go and pick up this afternoon. So we're going to go and grab a new motorbike as well. New bike day, old bike day, many bikes day. Every day is a good day. Next job is motorbike time. We are going to pick up another motorbike. It's something we're getting for a new series, which is basically a trading up series. So buying a bike, fixing it up, selling it, trying to make a little bit of money, buying a more expensive bike. The end goal is for me to buy my dream bike. It's something I've talked about for years and never got round to because basically I've never got 15 grand sat ready for me to splash out and spoil myself on a bike. So I'm planning to do it this way as a way of, in my own mind, earning myself that bike. Working hard, grafting away and getting to a point where I've got enough money to buy the bike I've always wanted. So that is today's job, is the first bike in the series we're going to go and have a look at, hopefully get it for a good price and kick the series off, which is going to be cool. So you'll see that coming soon on Bike World. We're just going to drive, it's about an hour or so from my house. We're going to have a bomb up there now, have a look at it, hopefully bring it back with us, and then back into the workshop. We've got some workshop sort of tech videos planned this afternoon, and a tutorial as well. It's a busy day on the Bike World farm. Next up, it is tutorial time. So I've got the trusty Kawasaki KLX out, some fuel in him. It's off to the field for some wheelie practice. Always a good day. there you go, wheelies. Get out there, practice and get good at them, because they are a lot of fun and you can never ever practice them too much. Have you ever wondered what's actually going on inside your engine? No? Well, move on. But if you have, stick with us for some boring technical videos about how bits of motorbikes work. There we go, the end of our first vlog. Thanks for coming along with us for the ride for the day. I'm now about to jump in my car, bomb over to the airport, and I'm off actually to the Olympics for a couple of weeks doing some presenting on stage there. So I'm gonna disappear from motorbikes for a couple of weeks, which I'm a bit depressed about. But when I'm back, we'll be back on it with some more builds, more riding and more tests. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Just like that, we escaped the mountains. Didn't manage to find any motorcycles yet, but I had a mega bit of hire car abuse on the way out here. Big detour. I ended up taking 6 hours rather than 3 hours because the tunnel was shut. Got to race a local in a Fiat Panda and generally live it up abusing hire cars. But now I am out here in the beautiful Alps, about to do some hosting and presenting for one of the sponsors of the Olympics. Basically being an interviewer and hype guy to get everyone excited for the athletes, some of the pro riders, snowboarders and skiers that are here. Not riders, no motorbikes, but I'm going to try and find some motorbikes while I'm out here. But yeah, so I will see everyone end of February. I'll be back on it, but until then, enjoy.